What is up, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today it's a beautiful day here in Boston, as you can see. Look at that, beautiful blue skies. Finally, today's a beautiful day, and today we're gonna have another install video. I'm gonna have another install video for you guys. It's gonna be the OEM Rain Guards, and this is a mod I should have gotten like right when I bought the car, but I took forever to get it because I wasn't like sold on the look. But I'm gonna give it a shot, so let's get right to it. All right, guys, so the first thing you want to do is obviously put down your windows. Oh, I got my boy Faustino right here.
What's up?
The first thing you want to do is pull down your windows, and this area right here, this surface area here, you want to clean it off with some alcohol or something that lifts up like all the dirt, you know what I'm saying, and the grease. That's the first thing you want to do. Then after that, obviously you're gonna pull down this rubber seal here. What is it, a rubber seal, right? Is that what it is?
Yeah.
This seal right here, well, you gotta pull it down. The reason for pulling this down is because obviously you want to insert the clips that you get in this box here that I got from Japan. You're gonna use rag, some alcohol. I got this from the dollar store, whatever. Pull down the seal, insert the clips obviously right in there, and it's gonna bring some adhesive that's gonna stick on to this area here. All right, let me show you what's in the box. Faustino, you open the box. I think it's just a bunch of clips and obviously the rain guards. Look at his rain guards right there. Good flush, is nice as shit. The OEM. Your boy Faustino's Civic right there. Still can't believe how beautiful it is outside today though. It's really nice. Alright guys, so this is what comes in the box. You need some keys. You need a shank. What we got here? Yeah, just rain guards.
See how dark they are.
I know, compare them to the OEM Honda ones. Should be just as dark, I think. I don't know. No, I think yours are darker, bro. Let's see here. Nah, probably the same. And
oh, it already has
here,
the thing.
yeah, it does. Yeah, the adhesive is already on there. Yeah. And yeah, you get your clips right there. Those are the clips that you're gonna insert. And here when you pull down the seal. And that's it, guys. All right, I'm gonna do a quick time lapse of this, and you guys can see what it looks like. Oh, whoa, what's going on? It doesn't go all the way. Yeah, that's right, that's right. So you want to line them up both right here. This is where you want to line them up when you put them up there. You want to make sure they meet right there, and then they'll look flush.
Right at the end of the
Yeah,
door.
exactly. All right. Yeah. All right, let's get this started. Oh, and I forgot to tell you guys, these clips, they're just gonna clip on here to these notches or these little bumps or whatever you want to call them. They just clip on, like they just clip on right in there, and then you slide them in right under here. So just take your time, line it up, and when you're all done, they should line up at the corners here. That's the most important thing, that they're flush right here. All right, guys, I'm talking too much. Let me show you what it looks like real quick. Let me install this and show you what it looks like. All right, guys, so it's been a few days after, and I've been driving the car. As you can see, they're very dirty, but this is the final product right here. They're very dirty, but I couldn't record it the day of because, well, I did record it, just the mic didn't work. But here are some tips, some things that I want you guys to know when you guys install these. Let me put the key inside the car so I can roll down the windows and show you guys. All right, so the car's on. Just gonna roll down this window. I'm gonna show you something. So when you guys install these, you gotta make sure the rubber seal, it's like in there, it's in the proper precision, because if it's not, like it happened to me, the window, it won't go all the way up. It has like I think it's a sensor, or I don't know what you want to call it, but when it senses something's there, like the window will come right back down. I guess it prevents from you closing the window on your fingers or on your hand or whatever. But anyway, make sure the seal up here, it's well tucked in. If not, the window's not gonna go up. Well, anyway, that's how it works on my 2016 STI. But other than that, looks great. They're really dirty right now. And another thing is, I know most people, like, they try to get this like hella flush right here, whatever, like as close as they can together. But I didn't. I did it like it's supposed to be. Line it up to the end here, and line it up right here. Well, most people, they have a little gap here because they want this to like be super close, really flush. But if you do that, like up here, the tape that's up here, it's gonna overlap this, you know what I'm saying? And it's gonna like hang there pretty much. I know these are like, the adhesive is really strong and it won't fall off, but I just chose to do it that way. But yeah, just line it up with the pillar here or this side of the window, and it will line up nice and flush here. You know you have it right, and on the top. But the biggest thing, like I said, it's the seal. This seal up there, it needs to be well tucked in, back in, like where it's supposed to go. And these pins, they slide right in. It's not a pain in the ass or anything. But other than that, I think it looks freaking awesome. Looks really good. I should have gotten these sooner. Super dirty right now. But yeah, guys, that's all I have for today. I'm gonna have a few more mods coming soon. And like, comment, and subscribe. Check out my Instagram. I post a lot of stuff there. And have a great day.